Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting video on this channel. Today we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful blouse style. So if that is what you're interested in learning, sit back and watch to the end in order not to miss out on any step. So we'll begin by drafting our basic bodice block. So if you're a beginner, you don't know how to go about this, I have a video on how to achieve your basic bodice block on my channel. Do wait to watch it for a better understanding. My body circumference, I actually divided it by 8 instead of by 4 because of this illustration. I divided it by 8. That is why the pattern is this small. So we'll be taking quarter of our bust circumference. That's what we'll be marking, plus the ease you want to achieve. The same thing you have at the waist and at the hip, or to the length of your blouse. So we have the same thing there because this is actually a free blouse. You curve your armhole this way. So the measurement for the hip is not that needed because it's a free blouse. So you'll be connecting from the armpit to that. Their extension can be 12 inches, 15 inches. And you can connect from the armpit down to that 12 inches. You can connect from the waist or anywhere in between depending on your choice. Take your neck depth and your neck width and you curve it. So this is actually a simple design. We are cutting the back and the front the same way. The only difference is the neck. The back neck is higher than the front neck, and you can add this button to the back neckline. So this is it. And if you are cutting on the fabric, it has to be on fold. The fabric has to be on fold. Cut out the back first before cutting out the front. So this blouse have a sleeve. So let's draft the sleeve pattern. What I'm measuring there is the bisect line. Measure your own. Mine is supposed to be 8, but I divided it by 2, so that's why I have 4 there. And you also measure what you have at the armhole. So what I have there is 4 inches. You shape out your sleeve head this way. You mark out your sleeve circumference and you connect it this way. So you make sure that what you have at the sleeve head is equal to your armhole. What you have at the armhole. So that is it for the sleeve. So let's cross check if the sleeve and the armhole will match. You see 2 of them are equal. They're actually equal, so it will match perfectly well. So this is how to go about this design. Please consider to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more useful videos. Thank you very much.